Welcome back guys. So I am in my quarantine room. So today I will show you the room which I got and what are the things I used to give in the rooms. So let's begin. So this is how my quarantine room looks. Now I will show you one by one the things which I got with the room. So you can clearly see that this room is for two people. So in the boys hostel you have to share your room with one other student. So this is how boys hostel works. So let's see one by one what are the things which we get. So first thing which we get is a study table along with the chair. So you can study here. Second thing which we get is a bookshelf. So we can keep books and many other things in it here. Third thing is one almirah for one student. So inside this we can keep our bags, clothes and many other things which we want. Also we get this one single bed, and the mattresses and all other things we have to bring from our home or we can buy from the canteen. So this is the bed which I got. So here is a window with mosquito net. So you can see this is the mosquito net thing, and this is the main window of it, and this is the view outside my window. Also there are some shelf kind of things embedded in the wall where we can keep some things. So here is a small table with one drawer, and also there is one shelf under it. So here are some hangers. So here we can keep our old clothes or any other thing. So we have three lights in the room, one here near one bed and other one near other bed, and one in the middle of both the beds, and two fans. So one fan is above one bed. So I think I have covered all the things which are inside the room. So this is the room tour of my quarantine room. So once again you can see the room. Also this is my temporary room. So after 10 days I will shift to my permanent room which I will get allotted by IST, and I can choose my partner which I have to live with. So here are some other rooms. So this is the corridor of our floor, and here are the bathrooms. So with this my room tour ends, and I hope this helped you.